Mommy move the milk, okay? Right here.
Oh, what's that?
What's that?
Cereals. That's cereals.
It's a pear.
That's cereals.
Cereals?
Yeah.
Okay.
Cereals in there.
Okay. Oh, syrup in there. Yeah, it's a sweet. Is it good?
Yeah.
You like it? Mommy cook it?
Oh. That's not too hot?
It's not too, it's cold. It was in the fridge.
Oh.
Yeah.
What's in that fridge?
Yeah. What are you putting? You putting cereal?
Yeah.
Cereal in the pear?
Yeah. And eat it.
And you eat it? Okay, eat it. Oishii? Oishiiって言って美味しかったら。
I got that dollar of the pears.
Okay. You watch Totoro and eat pear, huh? But no Totoro yet, okay?
Yeah. No.
Totoro later.
That dollar later.
Yeah.
After eat.
You have to eat, yeah.
It's not dark.
No, it's morning. It's 9 o'clock in the morning.
It's not dark.
It's not dark yet. Do you like dark? Yeah, I know you hate dark, huh? Did you sleep with Mommy last night?
Yeah.
Was it good?
Yeah.
Did you sleep like 11 hours last night?
Yeah.
This morning? It's good, huh?
I'm sleeping.
You dripping?
Yeah. I need that towel.
Okay, wash it.
Hey, Mommy.
Okay, arigato.
And be careful.
Arigato. And did you say just be careful? Who's that?
Look. Look, my mommy.
What? You dripping again?
I'm not sleeping.
You're not dripping?
No.
Okay. Well, let's go eat. Finish eating, okay?
Towel.
What do you want?
Towel.
What for?
Towel.
Okay.
I'm not sleeping.
You're not dripping, okay, but you're wiping.
I'm being careful.
Okay, you're being careful. Hey Tutu, can you say bye-bye so I can stop the video?
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye. Good job. Good job, bye-bye.